Hi everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. This is Ozzy here again with another fragrance review for you guys, following the same pattern of post-usage review. Now I've had this particular one, the Montblanc Legend Spirit, for about 6 months, and now I'm unboxing and reviewing it for you guys so I can give you my thoughts on it after long-term usage. And definitely, yeah, let's get started. So this is it. It's the packaging. Oh, this is a gift actually. You have some wavy lines on the top. You have a white background, Montblanc Legend Spirit. It's a follow-up flanker of the Montblanc Legend, which smells a lot like Abercrombie Fitch Fierce. This one's very different. It smells nothing like Legend itself. There's a little bit of the DNA there, but not much. It's an eau de toilette, 100 mils, and this was a gift that I received, but you know, at that time the pricing from where it came was around $30. So $30 for this. It is an absolute steal deal. I would say don't even think, just buy it if you get it for $30. This is too good for $30. I just cannot believe it. I'm gonna explain that to you why, but this is amazing. So talking about the packaging, you have white background all across, you have the silver strip going all across. On the back it's the same as the front. So yeah, on the top you just have the Montblanc logo, sides just have the continuation of the lines, at the bottom you have barcode and ingredients. So let's take it out now. It's a glossy white packaging, by the way. You know, white cardboard inside. Take it out. Here is the bottle. Very identical to Montblanc's Legend, which is I had in black, and I've reviewed it on this channel too. You can check that review out as well. But this is a follow-up line, a Legend Spirit. Identical bottle, identical cap. You have a silver metallic top with a metallic cap, Montblanc Legend, and the logo on the top. And yeah, it comes off like that. Flicks back into place. Very good quality, very nice feel. This is like to see a ceramic bottle, so yeah, feels really solid in your hand. This one is made in France, and yeah, the Montblanc's a German brand, but this fragrance is made in France. So let's check out the atomizer, see how it works. On the clothes, very good. Not the best range of the atomizer, so try to keep it a little bit close to your skin when doing this. But yeah, it's a really nice fragrance, and I would say that if you are into the type of fragrances that are like Paco Rabanne and Invictus, don't get the Invictus, get this instead. This one's more smoother, more cleaner, more sophisticated, more fresh. Let's talk about the notes. The notes are grapefruit, and the top notes are grapefruit, bergamot, and pink pepper. And I can definitely sense that in the top for sure. Middle notes are more watery, aquatic, lavender, cardamom. I can definitely smell the lavender in here for sure, and the water notes, absolutely. The base is white musk, white woods, cashmere wood, and oak moss. I would say the base is very apparent in this one, and over the time that I've used it, the base notes have always been more like top notes for me. And for that reason, I think this is why this perfume is so different from the others in the Legend lineup. It's very long lasting. I have to tell you guys that this one outdoes itself. It shouldn't even be labeled as an eau de toilette. I have worn this fragrance in the daytime, and I could still smell it at night. So that's like 12 hours on the skin and on the clothes, even longer than that. So it really, the performance is fabulous. It is fantastic. I cannot tell you how amazed and surprised I am that a $30 eau de toilette fragrance can perform so well. I just can't figure it out, but it is really good. I highly recommend it, and it's the right balance of sweet and freshness. Sweetness and freshness are both combined in this, and for that reason, this is an ideal spring summer scent. I don't know if this would be a great one for fall or winter, but you can certainly rock this in early fall, I would say. But yeah, it is very long lasting. It lasts longer in the winter and fall months though, I would say. But it's just, the performance is ethereal. It's amazing. And this actually came out in 2016. The perfumer behind this is Oliver Crest. It is a very good addition to your collection if you're looking for a fragrance that has the right blend of sweetness but not overly sweet, and something that's citrusy but not overly citrusy and aromatic. this is the right balance in between both of those. And main accords, again, like I mentioned, citrus, aquatic, musky. It's got a little bit of powderiness in here. I typically am not a fan of powdery fragrances, I'll tell you guys. In the base, there is a little bit of that. So if you can't stand even a little bit of it, then maybe this is not for you, but there is a slight powdery touch. It's just the right amount. It doesn't bother me, and I'm not a powdery fragrance guy. I'm not an iris fan. So this one, I mean, is very tolerable for me. So no issues on that part. And yeah, this is for men. I mean, there's others in the line too. I think there's a red one I haven't tried yet. And overall, Montblanc's perfumes and fragrances are really good value for money. They're really high quality, very high end, very long lasting. So with that being said, that's it for today's review. Take care and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.